श्रीकृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। सर्वमहर्षिभ्यो नमः। फर्स्ट श्लोक। पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहं झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी। Substance. Among purifiers I am the wind. Among warriors I am Rama. Among fishes I am Makara. Among rivers I am the Ganges. Commentary. The Lord here declares that he is Rama. There is no difference between Krishna and Rama. The purity and the sacredness of the Ganges is mentioned in innumerable places in the scriptures and the Puranas. 32nd Sloka. सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन आध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम्. Substance. I am the beginning, the middle, and also the end of all creations. I am the science of self-knowledge among sciences. I am logic or reason among controversialists and debaters. Commentary. Adhyatma Vidya. Among sciences, the Lord is the science of self-knowledge. We see that the modern world has made great advancement in all the sciences, and yet there is neither rest nor peace for countries and nations. Any rational thinker would naturally come to the conclusion that modern scientific achievements are not sufficient to bring peace and happiness to mankind. It is only self-knowledge that can realize the inherent peace and freedom of mankind. The man of self-knowledge, though he does not know any other science, is really the wise man who knows all. And the learned man who does not know the truth is indeed unlearned and ignorant. Vadaha. Argument is of three kinds: Vada, Jalpa, Vitanda. The reasoning free from malice and hatred undertaken with the noble objects of understanding the truth is Vada. The argument advanced with the object of establishing one's own creed and condemning others is Jalpa, and the argument used merely for the purpose of abusing and condemning other creeds is Vitanda. The Lord is Vada, that is the process of reasoning, questions and answers and debates which the wise undertake to know the truth. 33rd Sloka. अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः समासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालो धाताहं श्वेतोमुखः. Substance. Among letters I am the letter A. I am the dual among all compounds. Verily, I am eternal time. I am the dispenser of the fruits of actions, having faces in all directions, omniscient. The 4th Sloka. Mrityuh sarvaharaschaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam kirtihi srivakcha narinam smritirmedha dhrutikshama. Substance. And I am all devouring death and the birth of those who are to be born. Among the feminine qualities I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, firmness and forgiveness. Commentary. 7 virtues among women are mentioned by the Lord. Where these virtues are, whether in men or women, all are qualified for the highest realization. Women are not weak. They have also in them the divinity that lifts them up to the plane of spiritual realization. The point to note is that where these qualities are found, there the Lord is. The second line of the verse is interpreted in another way. Prasuti, the daughter of Swayambhuva, Manu, married Daksha Prajapati, and to them were born 24 daughters. Among them there are Kirti Devi, Medha Devi, Dhriti Devi, Smriti Devi and Kshama Devi. Sri Devi is the daughter of Bhrigu. Vagdevi is the daughter of Brahma. These 7 are the presiding deities of 7 virtues. The Lord here declares that He is all these seven feminine virtues. Whatever the interpretation may be, it is clear that the functioning of these virtues is due to the Lord Himself. This verse is an inspiring call to women to give up all superstitious notions about their weakness and lowness and stand up to realize what is their birthright along with men and gods. 35th sloka. Bruhadsama tata samnam Gayatri chandasamaham masanam margaseshoham rutunam kusumakaraha. Substance. Among the hymns I am Bruhadsama, among meters I am Gayatri, among months I am Margasirsha, among seasons I am the flowering spring. Commentary. The prominence of Margasirsha is to be known from the following. At the time of Mahabharata, the year used to start with the month of Margasirsha. The Shastras declare that the month is most suitable, meritorious for the performance of vows and fasts, etc. People obtain the new harvest and there is general prosperity. It is stated in the Ramayana that Margasirsha is the ornament of the year. The Bhagavad Gita was proclaimed to Arjuna in the month of Margasirsha, Shuddha Ekadashi, on the 11th day of bright fortnight. Dattatreya was born in the same month, Shuddha Purnima. The atmosphere is pleasant and equable, and so the month is most suitable for tapas and sadhana, spiritual practice. Kusumakaraha, the spring season is the most beautiful and nature puts forth all their beauty. Sri Rama was born in the month of Chaitra. 36th sloka. Dhyutam chalayatam tejasvinamaham jayosmi vyavasayosmi sattvam sattvatamaham. Substance. I am the gambling of the fraudulent, of the splendid I am the splendor, I am victory, I am determination of the determined, I am the goodness of the good. Commentary. Dhyutam. This word should be carefully understood. It is definitely not a license given to the gamblers to carry on their fraudulent business. It is only an affirmation of the existence, astitvam, of the Lord in the essence of every one of the activities, good or bad, carried on in the world. Good people carry on good work, and the bad people carry on the bad work, and they reap the consequences accordingly. But the Lord is present in essence in all. The Lord is victory. The Lord is determination. The aspirant has to realize the universality of the Lord by seeing Him everywhere, in all qualities and action. His manifestation is to be realized in the splendid, good, and eminent things. His existence, Astitvam, is to be realized in all things. 37th sloka. Rushnīnām Vasudevosmi Pandavanām Dhananjayah Munīnāmāpyaham Vyasaha Kavinām Ushana Kavihi. Substance. Among the Rishnis I am Vasudeva. Among the Pandavas I am Arjuna. I am Vyasa among the Munis. Among poets I am Ushana, the poet. Commentary. Arjuna, the hearer of the Gita, Krishna, the teacher, and Vyasa, the poet who recorded it, are all the manifestation of the Lord Himself. Ushana Kavi. He is Sukracharya, the son of Bhrigu Maharshi. 38th sloka. Dando damayatam asmi nitirasmi jagishatam maunam chaivasmi gruhyanam gnanam gnanavatam aham. Substance. Of the punishers I am punishment. Of the seekers of victory I am statementship. Of the secrets I am silence. I am also knowledge of the knowers. Commentary. The statementship approved by the Shastras is securing national welfare, is also the Lord. True victory is always based on truth, and that which is obtained by fraud and deception is no victory. Maunam. The silence is also the Lord. Silence in word, silence is in thought are essential practices to attain self control and mastery over one's lower nature. It leads to self realization. Gnanam, self knowledge of the Lord Himself. It is His sovereign glory.